How to switch audio output on iPhone. Here's a quick and easy way to change where your sound plays. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. Next, locate the media player in the Control Center. In the top right corner of the media controls, tap the AirPlay or audio output icon. A list of available audio devices will appear. This may include your iPhone speaker, Bluetooth headphones, wireless earbuds, speakers, or other connected devices. Simply tap the device you want to use, and your iPhone will instantly switch the audio output to that device. For example, if you're connected to Bluetooth headphones, tap their name to route audio through them. To switch back, select iPhone speaker from the list. If you don't see your device, make sure it's powered on, connected, and within range of your iPhone. And that's it. You've successfully changed the audio output on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.